Tired of juggling LinkedIn and Google My Business, wishing there was a simpler way to share content and update your online presence? In this video, we'll explore how to use Zapier to connect LinkedIn and Google My Business, potentially automating your social media management. First, make sure you have active accounts on both LinkedIn and Google My Business, as well as a Zapier account. Log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. This will begin the process of building your automation. Now, you'll need to choose a trigger at hand event, search for and select LinkedIn for the trigger event. Choose something like new post or new activity. This means the Zap will activate whenever you post on LinkedIn or engage in some other defined activity. Zapier will then ask you to connect your LinkedIn account. Click connect and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn data. Be sure to choose the correct LinkedIn profile that you want to use for the Zap. Next, it's time to set up the action. Search for and select Google My Business for the action event. You might choose something like Create Post. This tells Zapier to create a post on your Google My Business page. Connect your Google My Business account by clicking Connect and authorizing Zapier. We'll need to select the specific Google My Business location you want to post to. Now, customize your Google My Business post. Map the data from your LinkedIn trigger to the corresponding fields in Google My Business. For example, you can map the LinkedIn post content to the Google My Business post description and the LinkedIn post URL to the Google My Business call to action button. Finally, test your Zap. Click the Test Action button to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap. And that's it. Now, whenever you create a new post on LinkedIn, Zapier will automatically create a similar post on your Google My Business page, saving you time and streamlining your social media efforts.